In class 5, in the previous class we have done unitary method and I have given you certain problems related to that. So coming to exercise 23, see question number 10. What is the question given? Look at here. See what is the question. In this the question is given, see carefully. 70 eggs cost rupees 122 and 50 paisa. So how many eggs will be available in 87 rupees 50 paisa? Okay, this is the question. Now as per the question, I have told you we have to see that what is given and what has been asked. We will prepare two columns. One is the number of eggs and another is the price of eggs. Now, as in the question it is given 70 eggs cost rupees 122 and 50 paisa. So, in number of eggs, 70 eggs are there. And what is the cost of 70 eggs? 122 rupees 50 paisa. And the next is given how many eggs will be available in 87 rupees 50 paisa. Means how many eggs will be available means here how many eggs question mark will be available when we will spend 87 rupees 50 paisa. Okay, now see how to do. Now since 70 eggs cost rupees 122 and 50 paisa, so what will be the cost of one egg? First of all we will find the cost of one egg, that you know how to find out. 122 rupees 50 paisa will be divided by this 70. After dividing, how much we are getting? 1 rupees 75 paisa. Now, here next step will be that if the cost of one egg, is 1 rupees 75 paisa, so here how much has been spent? 87 rupees 50 paisa. So when 87 rupees 50 paisa will be spent, how many eggs will be required? Okay, for this we can divide. This is the total money we have spent, and what is the cost of that per egg? That is 1 rupee 75 paisa. So we can divide it. 87 rupees 50 paisa divided by 1 rupee 75 paisa, we will get 50. So 50 eggs will be required when we will get 50 eggs when we are spending 87 rupees 50 paisa. Okay, this is one way of solving this question. And the another and the simple way of solving the question is, see, I have written over here or. Either you can do it by this method, or simply here I have done the another method, you can follow that, where number of eggs are given and price of eggs are given. Number of eggs is 70 rupees, 70 eggs, and cost is given 122 rupees 50 paisa. So how much eggs will be required if 87 rupees 50 paisa is done? Simple logic, we do the cross multiplication. See the arrow, cross multiplication. First we will assume this as x. And then we will do the cross multiplication. So while doing cross multiplication, 122.50 paisa will be multiplied with x. This will come to this side. See, and 87 rupees 50 paisa will be multiplied with 70 eggs. So this will come to this side. Okay, and in between we will put a equal to sign. So here again, when the side will be changed, you know I have told you several times, multiplication becomes division, right? We are changing the side. So x is equal to this multiplication multiplied and divided by 122.50 paisa. When you will solve this, you will get the answer 50 eggs. Let us see how. This decimal will be cancelled, 0 will be cancelled. See, and it is 875 multiplied by 70 divided by 1225. that can be cancelled by 5. When you will solve this, you will get 50x. So our answer will be, therefore what is needed? Therefore 50x will be available in how many rupees? In rupees 87 rupees 50 paisa. This will be your answer.